mentioned, I think we have got a good process to maintain discipline.
Okay, thanks for that. Just switching gears to Ukraine. I mean, in Ukraine, we've seen a premium in many systems where you're actually the market-leading offerings, right? And we're seeing that for missiles and missile defense. And these areas are where the U.S. DoD budget's up 20%, well in excess of the top line of the whole thing of about 3%. So we're seeing that outsized growth, and I think that ties into what you mentioned earlier, Jim, on the portfolio growing in 2024. Mm-hmm. But you've also noted with that on Ukraine a $7 billion opportunity in MFC. Can you guys talk about what is in that $7 billion? What's the opportunity? Any context for program, size, timing?
Yeah, if you think about it, it's the things that you have seen in the news, and just to clarify, we've seen what we have is a visibility to about $10 billion of orders between now and 2028. We see that what I talked about is $6 billion, that converting to about $6 billion of revenue over that same period of time. So there will be growth in revenue upside beyond that period of time as well to fully fulfill that $10 billion of opportunities. But where you see it is we've talked about these things, whether it's Javelin, whether it's HIMARS, GMLRS, PAC-3. PAC-3 is a good example. When we talked back in 2021 about our 4 pillars of growth, PAC-3 was a program that was already going to be driving growth, and now it's bringing that the ramp up to 550 deliveries per year by 2025. We're now seeing that we can take that up to 650 per year by 2027 based on this incremental demand. So that's one example. GMRS, we were essentially at capacity of about 10,000 units per year. We're now driving that to 14,000 units per year. And so there's just, as you mentioned, whether it's replenishment or just capitalization to higher levels, the demand is enduring between, frankly, now to the end of the decade.